Hi, siblings. We're going to open this Easter egg surprise. Let's open it. Wait, size. Whoa. Easter egg coloring kits. Now, let's open it. I can open it by myself. Now, let's see what's inside. I got it. Whoa. Marker. Eggs. More eggs. And then directions. Let's see. Got it. Now let's set it up. Let's open it. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to show you how to put the eggs together. Oops. Now let's mix. Okay, guys. Now I have to pick an egg, and then we put it in the machine, and then we turn it on, and then we color. Let's get started. Now let's color. Wow. Now let's move on to the next color. I got some clothes. Ooh. Now the next color. Now we're going to do red. Now we're going to do blues. We're trying to do two at a time. We're going to be experiments. Wow. All done. Now let's move on to the next egg. What do you guys think about my egg? The color toss. Now we're going to do color dark blue and color purple. Go. We do it. Be red and blue. I need light blue. It's making purple, guys. Be careful. Be careful because you might color your hands. Now next color is orange and green. Light green. Now get started. Now the next color is yellow. Now the next colors are brown and black. We have to put this inside here, and it's so hard. Get it? Don't to help you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.